Hey guys, it's Shy and welcome back to my channel. Today we are vlogging again. It is Thursday and tomorrow is Mexican Mother's Day. I am Hispanic, so we are actually celebrating it today just because the town that I live in has a lot of Hispanic as well, and tomorrow is probably gonna be crazy to go to dinner somewhere, so we are going today. I am really excited. We're going to a French restaurant. And I'm looking down, I have lipstick all over my hand. That's attractive. I'm gonna go wash my hands, but I'm really excited. I'm giving my mom all of her gifts and everything tomorrow, but today we're like going out to celebrate it, if that makes sense. But I am so excited for food. And my best friend had her baby. Oh my God, I got to see little man today and he is perfect, looks just like her. She is such an amazing person. I know she's gonna be such an incredible mom. I didn't want to film any of that because I feel like that's really intrusive, but I am so excited that he is here. I've been waiting to meet him since we found out she was pregnant, and she is just the most caring, like, person. She has been there for me through a lot. And I'm so excited that her baby is here, and I can't wait to spoil the crap out of him. I actually, I brought her a mommy present today because I feel like whenever people have babies, like, they forget about mom. So I brought her like slippers and hair ties and chapstick and comfy PJs and like just little things like that so she can be comfy while she recovers and like is at home with baby and like, you know, just gets a little something too. And of course I got him like a cute little toy, but I'm so excited. She had him last night and she texted me at work and was like, I'm in labor, but I was closing, so I went to see him today, but I was just so, I can't say it enough. I'm so excited for her. He couldn't have picked a better mom. So little one, if you watch this someday, you were loved from the moment she found out. She was so happy, so excited to be a mom. She is gonna be such an amazing mom, and he is very lucky that he picked her. She's gonna spoil him. He will never be without because she will love him so much, and her family is amazing, and I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's go to dinner with mom. Restaurant for celebrating Mother's Day. Isn't she the cutest person ever? Look at this little glowing goddess.
There's two different cake breads, honey. There's a 90.
Yeah, you're celebrating your anniversary. Look at the escargot.
So George didn't handle it, huh?
Yeah.
Thank you.
So good. Oh my God. Are you excited for your food?
Yes,
you got
I
champagne
am.
chicken.
This is my favorite.
Dad got rabbit. I got filet mignon. We are gonna live our best lives. Alrighty guys, so it is the next day. The food was so good. Oh my God, it was so good. We had the escargot, and then I had a filet mignon with like a soup and vegetables, and it was just really yummy. I did want to include in this vlog though a Splendies unboxing. So I know you guys are probably curious where the heck my Splendies video has been. I did get my Splendies on time. I was really sick. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you're aware of that, and that's why my uploads have been so screwed up lately. But I was sick for a good couple of weeks, so my whole filming schedule got like screwed up. And I know that the next Splendies round is going to be coming up, but I still wanted to show you guys what I got, so I thought I would include it in this vlog and just do like kind of just like a girly little vlog. So this is our little Splendies box, so I'm super excited. And then here is our inside, and it of course always comes, oh my gosh, camera will not focus, Splendies little sticker. So let's see here. Ooh, okay. So the first one, oh, by the way, I get a size large. I normally wear a medium in Victoria's Secret underwear, but Splendies on their website says that they run a little small. The largest fit me perfect. I am a 9 in Fashion Nova jeans, or an 11 in Fashion Nova jeans. I don't know why I said 9. I'm a 9 in Hollister jeans, which is weird. But anyway, if that helps you like with sizing. So the first pair, so this is the back of it. It's got this really cute like geometric kind of like mesh. How fun is that? And then the front is just like a no-show material. I feel like these are going to be so perfect underneath really anything because they feel like they're going to be completely invisible. The fabric is made so well. This actually reminds me, okay, so Victoria's Secret used to have like no-show underwear that were like 3 for $36 and they were like thicker at the top and they were amazing. And then they discontinued them, like they discontinue every good thing in the world. But these remind me of that type of material. So these are so cute. Next, okay. If you guys know me, you know I'm obsessed with floral print and girly stuff. So how cute are these? So these are hip huggers. They are a blue and floral print. And then the lace is a light pink lace. And they have the bow. And then this is like for the back coverage. And how cute. It has a little bit of ruching just right there. I love these. I wish Splendies would just like sell panties on their own because I would stock up and buy so much. They are made so well. And the material on these is a little bit more of like a silkier material. So like not really like a mesh, but like more of like that silky vibe. These are so cute though. I love these. Okay. Next, oh, I love these. Okay, so these are cotton. They are like a light periwinkle blue with a gray trim. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. And they are hip huggers, so they have a nice coverage. And they almost kind of remind me of like the boy briefs because they have the stitching right there. How cute are these? Oh my God, I love these. And then like the band is like a silky material, but it's really stretchy. And it almost feels like it tapers a little bit right here. So I think it'll be pretty invisible on their waistband. And like pulling, it almost kind of bones out a little bit, which I really appreciate. So that means it's not gonna dig into your lonjitas. You'll be good. Oh my God, I love this. So I'm really excited about this month's Splendies box. So, or bag. I always call it a Splendies unboxing, but I really guess it's a Splendies unbagging, huh? So for Splendies, it is $14.99 a month and you get 3 pairs of underwear sent to your home. You can pick if you prefer thongs or hip huggers or a mix. I believe mine is on hip huggers because, or like fuller coverage panties, because that's what I wear. I wear like boy shorts and hip huggers like every day. I really don't wear thongs anymore. So that's what my setting is on. I have had Splendies, guys, for almost since the beginning of my channel. I really like them. Their underwear is very high quality. It washes beautifully. It's so comfortable on. I've gotten so many different kinds, but I do always have a link in my description box. It's very similar to like the ColourPop link, if you guys are familiar with that. So like if you click on the link and you sign up, like that person gets something. So for example, I will get a free panty if you guys sign up. So please click my link. You don't have to though. If you use Splendies in all caps, you can get money off of your first month that way as well. But like, why don't you want me to have a free pair of panties? Like, just help you girl out. But that is always in my description box because I am like obsessed with Splendies. But that is gonna be it for this vlog, guys. I know it's a little bit on the shorter side, but I really just wanted it to focus around like, you know, our little Mother's Day celebration and just a little chit chat, and then of course updating you guys on Splendies. So I hope that you enjoyed it. If you want more vlogs, definitely let me know. And if there's any other subscription boxes that you guys are obsessed with, let me know too. I love signing up for them and like trying new things. So I think it's super fun. And if you guys have Splendies as well, let me know what you got in your last month's bag. Did you get the same ones? Did you get different ones? Super curious too. But thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.